Hi there, students. A precursor, a noun. Precursory, the adjective, although it's probably less common. Okay, a precursor is something that happened before, that existed before, and that developed into something else or had a lot of influence on it. So, I don't know. The fixed telephone is, I guess, a precursor to the mobile smartphone that we have today. It's something that came before, and led to the development of it. It's something that happens or comes before something of the same kind. So maybe, I don't know, the lute was Lute, was a precursor of the guitar. It's like a guitar with a strange end. It's a forerunner. It's a forefather. It's something that comes before. Okay, so this is a precursor, something that precedes and indicates the approach of something else. Okay, who's Prime Minister of the UK? Well, we don't know at the moment, but I guess very soon when the new Prime Minister is chosen, then Boris will be their precursor, the predecessor, the person that comes before. Or perhaps, I don't know, Magna Carta. Runnymede is a document that is the precursor to many of our modern laws and to the end of the divine right of kings. Okay, it's something that comes before. It's something similar that existed before, but more more primitive. Something that comes before. I'm going to say a few precursory words before I make this explanation. Preliminary, before, to give an explanation. Now, some of you do know, but I'm effectively a chemist. That's what I studied. And to me, the word precursor is very clear. In chemistry, a precursor is a basic substance that you use to make something more complicated. Using simple substances, these are the precursors, and you join those together in all sorts of ways to make something much more complicated. So a precursor. Many of the chemical products that are precursors for making drugs are very highly regulated. So a precursor, it's one substance that precedes and is the source of another substance. So I guess if you want to make alcohol, well, sugar and yeast are the precursors for making it. Okay, so the precursor, the predecessor, something that comes before. Okay, so the precursor, a forerunner, something that indicates coming events. So if you've got a beautiful red sky at night with lots and lots of beautiful colours and reds and pinks and purples, well, this is a precursor for a beautiful day the next day. It's an indicator, it's a forerunner, it's something that happens before. Maybe you could have precursory symptoms to something. There were one or two marches against the regime which were precursors to a revolution. Okay, so a precursor, something that comes before. It's a forerunner, a predecessor, a forebear, an originator. So I don't know what game was the precursor of modern football? Or, okay, something these moves should not be considered as a precursor to something more significant. So, precursor, what am I going to give it in formality? I think I'm probably going to give it a 6 in formality. I think informally you could use it, but came before. Yeah, something that comes before. Use it in a semi-formal conversation, semi-formal or formal writing. And then as to origin, this comes from Latin, from pri meaning before, and curro, to run. So pri, before, so something that runs before, something that's a forerunner, something that happens before. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Precursor.